Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the daily time frame. Because the daily time frame, if you've been watching my videos, is where you can see that this is likely a wave A, this is likely a three-way pullback for a wave B, and we are likely in a wave C right now. I still think there's a very good likelihood that this will go up, take out the high of wave A before it continues the higher time frame downtrend. So yesterday I was talking about how it potentially was going to go down and make an ABC correction, but there's a major reason why I do not counter trend trade when the monthly is down, but the weekly is up and the daily is up. I definitely am not going to see that the daily's up and the weekly is up and then go down to the 1 hour time frame and go short. I would rather just let things play out. This is what I was expecting to see yesterday, and this is also why I do not try to counter trend trade because that right there potentially would have been a bad trade. But if you were focused on longs because the daily and the weekly is up, then you potentially could have got that trade. You might have got this trade. You might have got that trade. There's trades back here, trades back here, trades back here, trades back there, there, and there. So focusing on the right thing, which is the roadmap time frames, is very important to me. To me, it still looks like we potentially could go down, but I have no desire whatsoever to go short. I would much rather either wait for it to go down like this and try to go long, or maybe it doesn't even do that. Maybe it just goes down a little bit and then makes a higher low and goes up. So I am definitely focused on looking for pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this daily, weekly time frame move to the upside that we're in. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.